Hello friends, hi, good morning. This is Nidhish and I am from India, Delhi. And so just to provide a quick input on my speech now, in fact, I would say that I have transformed it now. And I think it has, it's been 6 to 7 months now that I have completed my sessions and completed my one-on-one course with Michael Williams. And I think it's gone on to the other level now, and that is to the extreme level, which is perfection, I would say. So I'm in the process of automating my new speaking style, and I have been using all the techniques taught by Michael Williams. I am extending my words, I'm articulating my words, I'm using my expressions, and I'm speaking like really good now. It was a beautiful journey for me. Sometimes it was going up and down, but I think I stick to the plan. I always did my practices well. I concentrated on my breathing techniques, and I always did what's being taught. I always followed the basics, and I think now I'm in the process of inspiring other people. I am inspiring people. I am meeting various people who are struggling with their speech, and now I'm giving them tips. I am sharing my experiences with them, and I think that's the best thing about this. And I would really like to thank Michael Williams for bringing in such a good program online, and I know there's nothing in India for us because India does not have such good speech therapists like Michael is. And I would like to thank him for his support and for his guidance, in fact, which has really transformed my speech. And now I can say whatever I want to say, whenever I want to say, and in a calm, composed, and smooth manner. And I would say it's the best thing. I always wished to speak well, and now I can speak well. So I think it's the best time of my life now that I am living it, wherein I am speaking like a king and expressing my thoughts like what do you call like everything is just clear in my mind now, and it's like really good to see me. As in, it's a very good feeling, I would say. Thank you, Michael Williams. All the best, all of you wonderful speakers listening to me. Bye bye. Have a nice day.